Fred from Piney Point has a question about a phantom drip.
Ooh.
Hope his prostate's okay.
It's not that kind of drip.
Okay.
He's hearing running water in the powder room, and I bet Fred feels better just knowing right there. Okay, well, I can check prostate off. All right.
Yes.
He says, I used a stethoscope. Okay, this gets even better.
Cool.
I used a
I want
stethoscope
one.
to determine that the sound was coming from the sink.
Okay.
Yet there is no sign of water, he says. The house is built above grade on piers, so the entire underside of the house is exposed, and under the powder room he went down. Guess what? No leakage down there either, Tom. And so the sound has been detectable for months, though, and it's starting to drive Fred a little bonkers. So Fred wants to know, where is the sound coming from, and what can he do about it?
Usually the sound people hear in the wall is a rhythmical sound of a tick-tick or a drip-drip, and it just drives people crazy. I mean, you swear there is a drip in the wall. Unfortunately, if you really had a break in the supply line, you would hear more of a psss, because this would be spraying water everywhere, even if it was just a tiny hole. So the sound you're hearing is not water dripping, but it's expansion and contraction of the pipes. And they make a very rhythmical sound, and it scares people. I understand, too. I can relate to it.
It scares them?
It's scary. Well, you think you're going to go to bed and there's a drip in your wall? Have you ever had a drip in your wall?
No. I've never had a drip
Have you ever thought you did and it's freaked out?
No, never.
See, you just...
I'm much more balanced in my chakras are
Really?
aligned.
So
I don't have these concerns.
You never get anxiety over anything.
Never.
Okay,
Never.
fine. Well, some of us do.
Cool as a cucumber.
All right. Anyway, don't worry about it. It's pipes expanding and contracting, and they all make these kind of funny noises. And it's just like when people lay down at night and they hear a pop or a creak in their house. They know, what is that? The house moves around.
Could it be the AC system dripping into his sink too? I mean, is that
now,
possible?
if it was a gurgle no, very well. No, that's a great comment. AC drains go into a P-trap underneath the sink. Usually, it's the closest one to the air conditioning unit, which probably would be in the attic. And that's where you have that drain pan you're always checking to make sure no water's in there. If that's the case, you're going to hear a gurgle, like a gurgle. How's you like my noise, right? A gurgle. You won't hear it in the wall. You'll hear it right at the sink at the drain. So I have a feeling he's got the expanding pipes because he's got his stethoscope on the wall.
I'm loving
and
that.
he's not looking at the drain.
I like it. Yeah.
But that was a good comment. You can get that noise.
All right. Never thought of using a stethoscope. That's a brilliant idea.
I want one. Just go around and
I'm
listen
getting my
to people.
Christmas list started early. All right. You got questions? Send them to us at HomeShowRadio.com. Hey, look over here. Some more videos. Check those out and maybe even subscribe to our channel for fun.